Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Rafael de Oliveira from falotafalado.com. You are very welcome to this video. We are going to discuss what causes many pains to those who are learning Portuguese. That's the verb to be, the Portuguese version of verb to be. Ser, estar. Yeah, you have two verbs to express the same idea. So now this is for you, Chris, who requested me long time ago. I don't know if you still remember, but this video is because of you and all of those who are willing to understand this issue. So let's go. Well, are you having a hard time learning Portuguese? You will be happy to know that we are also having hard times learning English. For us who speak Portuguese, it's not easy sometimes to understand what's happening with our tongue, with our mind when we are trying to learn English. But in this case, I think it's harder for you. Yeah, because for us, it's kind of simple to mix two verbs into one. But for you, I think it's more difficult to split one verb into two verbs. I mean, to be in English can be translated ser or estar in Portuguese. So the big question, the 1 million question, as you prefer, is how can I know? How am I supposed to know the difference between ser and estar? When will I use one and when will I use the other? I think the answer it's not too complicated. To be honest, I was trying to figure out a way to explain this for you, and I think I found something very easy to explain. Let me try. The verb ser, it's used for something permanent, a condition that will not pass away. It's here to stay. So you will use the verb ser. The verb estar, you're going to use when the condition is temporary. It's something that now it is like this, but it can change. It can pass from one state to another. So we use estar. Let me give you some examples. I can say that eu sou branco. Can you see? I'm really white. So I am white. Eu sou branco. You can see the color of my skin. Then I go outside and the sun burns my skin. Then I look to my skin and I say, eu estou vermelho. I am red. Of course, for you is the same verb am. But for us, in Portuguese, this is estar. Eu estou vermelho. Why? Because this is temporary. Eu sou branco. My color, my skin color is white. But now, eu estou vermelho because the sun burned my skin. But this is temporary. That's why I use estar. Eu sou branco. Eu estou vermelho. Did you understand? Let's try another example. You can say about someone who is sick. Ele está doente. Why? Because his sickness is temporary. Maybe he got a cold or something like that. Ele está doente. Now he is sick. But if someone gets a very serious disease that will not pass, so I will say in Portuguese, ele é doente. For example, diabetes or hepatitis and so many other diseases that will not leave the person. It's not temporary, it's permanent. So you will say ele é doente. Ele está doente if it's temporary, ele é doente if it's permanent. Do you see the difference? So, let's try a final example. You could say about a car, esse carro é novo. You mean this car is new, is brand new. You just bought it from the shop, so it's new. Is from this year, it's new. And you can also say, este carro está novo. What's the difference? When you say, esse carro está novo, you mean that it's an old car. Someone made changes on the car or improvements to the car. He cleaned the car, he beautified the car. So the car is new again. Ele está novo. So I hope I was clear. I hope you can understand. If you have any other questions, any other doubts, or a better explanation about these two verbs, feel free to express yourself. If you don't speak English, instead if you speak Portuguese, but you are understanding what we are talking about here, feel free to comment and to express your ideas about how to explain to a foreigner what's the difference between ser and estar. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to activate the notifications. I think you will like to receive new videos as we post them. Thank you so much for being with us. See you next video.